guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really need your support and lots of love. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you new stuff which I bought from Bath & Body Works. So here is the big box which I'll be showing you from Bath & Body Works. There's a lot of stuff, so grab a cup of tea or coffee. Firstly, about this brand, I really like this brand. If you are into fragrances, then definitely you should check this out, as they have lot of variety of body mist, body lotions, candles, and lot more. So you should check this out. I have bought all this online, so yes, there are a lot of good offers going on online as well. So do check that out. You can also visit stores. They are in few metro cities. But yeah, it is best if you order online, looking into the current situation. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So firstly, I have few hand washes. So all of them came in this kind of bubble wrap packaging. So this is Vanilla Bean Noel. This is a foaming hand wash, and this retails for 699 rupees. Next up is Fiji White Sands. So next up is Honolulu Sun, and really something very different. Then next is Almond Blossom. Again, price for 699 rupees. This is Georgia Peach. This is White Lavender Mint. I love lavender, guys. If you don't know yet, I'm a fan of lavender. If it is a candle or mist or anything, I am a fan of lavender. So yeah, I had to get this lavender hand wash. This is Italian lavender. Excited to try this one. Next is a pretty different, bit different packaging. This is Black Cherry Merlot. Says gentle exfoliating hand wash. After hand washes, I have couple of shower gels. First one is Teakwood Bath & Body Works 2-in-1 hair and body wash. So this is a combined hair and body wash. It's from men's collection. I like the fragrance, so I bought it, although I can also gift it to my dad or my brother, but really like this one. This body wash is Sleep, and this has lavender and cedarwood with natural essential oils, and this is a foam bath. So really love this range. They have a lot of aroma therapy range. They have moisturizers and body washes from this range. So their Sleep variant is really nice. Must try this. Next up, I have some body moisturizers. If it is Bath & Body Works, then how can you not buy body moisturizers? So first one is again from their aromatherapy range, which is Love, and this is rose plus vanilla fragrance in it. And these are so calming, so soothing, guys. So I of late I've begun to buy products from their aromatherapy range. They are really worth every penny, so highly recommend to try this range. So this is the first moisturizer. Then second, we have fresh sparkling snow. Bottles are also priced for rupees 1199. So first is this snow. There is 1000 Wishes, again 1199. And 1000 Wishes and Japanese Cherry Blossom are their cult moisturizers, and had to get this. So yeah, this is one. This is 1000 Wishes. Then next up, I have with me again one more bottle of 1000 Wishes. Japanese Cherry Blossom is missing somewhere, so I'm not able to find. But yes, I have 2 bottles of Japanese Cherry Blossom as well. It is one of the fastest selling product, fragrance range Bath & Body Works. So must check Japanese Blossom. Then I have few candles. I really like to light up my room in the evening time for some time. Candles literally smells amazing, and they are pretty scented. That is the best thing I like about Bath & Body Works candles. So this is a 3-wick candle, and this is again from their aromatherapy range, and this is lavender plus cedarwood. So lavender really calms and soothes everything. So if you're looking for a similar product, do try the lavender aromatherapy lavender variant. Their 3-wick candles are priced for 299 rupees. They last really long. You just have to lit for a little time, and then your entire room will get smell of that particular scent. And this is really amazing. Now the next candle in my collection is Comfort, again from their aromatherapy range, and this is vanilla plus patchouli. So really nice. Now the next one is one of my favorite candle. I love this. So there are a few fragrances which will have high intensity written. So really like this candle if you like a foresty vibe and very teak wood kind of a scent. So must buy this. And this is Mahogany Teak Wood High Intensity, and smells amazing. So these are a bit more intense as compared to the other two candles which I showed you. So yeah, must give this mahogany teak wood a try. Last candle I have to show you guys is again lavender. This is only lavender, no other ingredient in that. I'm really excited to light these candles. So that's all. The box is empty now. Hope you like this video. So if you buy anything from Bath & Body Works, do comment down below and let me know what you bought and which was your favorite product and scent. So until we meet next time, please take care, stay happy and stay blessed. Bye.